Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
children. Let everybody join. Good morning. Then we'll start.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children, today we'll be revising certain exercises based on tenses. Okay? In grammar, which are always going to help you. Let's see the screens. You have to read the passage yourself and decide, okay, which tense you will go for. Once they dash a sailor with his brother, he dashed a lot of money. One day he dashed to donate it to the poor. His brother dashed very greedy and dashed to keep all the money. So he dashed the money and dashed away. Fortunately, the police dashed him and dashed the sailor's money. Please start doing. Fill in the correct form of the verbs, and once you finish, raise your hands. Don't say done ma'am, because then that disturbs others. After you finish, raise your hands. Just do the first one, only the first one. Everybody try to do, even if the answers are wrong, it's absolutely okay, beta. But everyone should try to do. Let me see how many hands raised. Only 3 hands. We'll wait for others. Now how many hands? 5. Hurry up. Ananya, Bhumika, Dhananjay, Ishika, Ronit. Jaldi beta.
Ma'am, we have to do just the first one, no?
Only the first one. That is what I was wondering. Why so much of time? Hurry up, children. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Hurry up. I think this time is sufficient, beta. Now we should start discussing the answers. I've already given you enough time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Once they dash a sailor with his brother, what is the answer?
Lives.
Lived.
He dashed a lot of money.
Had.
Had.
One day he dashed to donate it to the poor.
Decided.
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 Very good. His brother dash very greedy.
Being very greedy.
No. What is the answer? His brother dash very greedy.
Dash. His brother were very greedy.
No.
His brother, ma'am, were.
Ma'am, had being greedy.
No. No. Anybody else? Beta, listen carefully. B किस पे change होता है? B changes to is, was और were. Okay? B changes to is, was और were. And यहाँ पे आप लोग you are changing in past tense ना? And it is singular. It is not brothers. अगर brothers होता then it would have been were. But it is only brother, then it should be was. What should be here? Was. Here?
Was.
His brother was very greedy. And next?
Wanted.
Very good. So he dashed the
Stole.
money. Very good. The past tense is stole. And dash away.
Ran away.
Ran.
Very good. We are going to past tense. Fortunately, the police dash him.
Caught him.
Caught.
The past tense of catch is caught him. Excellent class. And dash the sailor's money.
Returned.
Returned the sailor's money. So, beta, entire paragraph, which tense it was?
Past tense.
Past tense.
Remember that B ka past tense is was or were. If it is singular, use was. If it is plural, use were. Now we'll move on to the second one. बहुत अच्छे बच्चा. Very nice. Okay, let's start the second one. A tragedy dashed place yesterday when a matador dashed into a canal. The driver of the matador dashed save an auto rickshaw and dashed control on the vehicle. About 50 students dashed traveling in it. The people from the nearby villages dashed 27 students. Try and do this and raise your hands. Very good, children. Only the second one. hurry up, raise your hands. Let's see how many of them. Okay, a good number. Let us discuss the answers. What happened, Dhananjay? Today not answering? A tragedy dash place yesterday. Tell.
Took place.
Yes. Very good. When
Took place.
into a canal. When a matador dash into a canal,
Fell.
fell. Very good. What is the
Fell.
past tense? It's fell. The driver of the matador dashed to save an auto rickshaw.
Tried.
Right.
Very good.
Right.
Right. And dash control on the vehicle.
Lost.
Lost.
Very good. Lost control. About 50 students dash traveling in it.
Were traveling. Were
Were.
This
traveling.
time we did not do a mistake. Be in the past tense either becomes was or were. Beta, see in the first passage it was singular brother, so we use was for be. But here there are students, so we've used were. The people
Were.
from the nearby villages. Last one.
Saved.
Saved.
Excellent.
Saved.
Saved it means to set aside.
Fell.
Very good.
Saved.
Let's move on to the third one now. Please try doing the third one. Start reading, then raise your hands. Very good, children. Let's see how many are done very quickly. Only one, Ujjwal. Never mind. We'll wait for others. No problem. Do it. Let me see now. 3 hands. Very good. Waiting for others. Now how many? 5 or 6. Last 1 minute, children, hurry up. Now how many? Still the same. Hurry up, beta. At least 3, 4 more. Should we start discussing? Start, beta. It's enough time now. Please start. Give me the first answer.
Ma'am,
Start,
Hiten.
beta. No, anybody can speak. Start giving the first answer. All of you together. Start.
Ma'am, Hiten.
No, you mean to start. You speak. Speak the first answer.
The earthquake will a preliminary magnitude of 7.3 hit northern Japan on Tuesday.
Okay, somebody else now. Continue next.
The Japan Meteorological Agency said and issued tsunami warnings for much of the nation's northern Pacific.
Okay, next. Who now? Continue, beta.
The epicenter of an earthquake which felt in Tokyo.
Felt in Tokyo. Okay, next.
Was off the coast of Fukushima Prefecture at a depth of about 10 kilometers, the agency said.
Very good, they're trying. Next.
There was no immediate reports of damage or injury.
Too good. Excellent. Anybody else would also like to try? Would anyone take up the challenge of speaking the entire paragraph, right from the first to the last? Would anybody like to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Not one sentence. Okay, start. And others will listen very carefully. Beta,
An
listen. We
earthquake
will not interrupt her. Wait, hold, wait. When she will speak, we will listen carefully. And if she goes wrong somewhere, we will tell at the last. We will not interrupt. Okay, now start.
An earthquake with preliminary magnitude of 7.3
Yes, ma'am.
hidden North Japan on Tuesday. The Japan Meteorological Agency said issued tsunami warning for much to the nation's northern Pacific coast. The epicenter of the earthquake, which felt in Tokyo, were off the coast of Fukushima Prefecture at the depth of 10 kilometers, the agency said. There was no immediate report for damage or injury. Ma'am,
Did she go wrong anywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
She went wrong at one place. I also found. Tell where.
I mean, Tokyo was off the coast of.
What did she say?
Were.
She said were. And ma'am at the last.
Also that line, the epicenter. Beta, you said were. It should be was. Epicenter was. Okay, one more child
And
before.
ma'am in the last,
Hmm.
Ma'am, the
she said
epicenter of
Yes,
she
epicenter
said
was.
was, but
the epicenter of the earthquake which felt. Ma'am, it's written in the book only.
So we are talking about was or were. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Not felt. Who else would try the challenge? Let me see. You're finding mistakes. Who else would like to try? Come on. Nobody wants to try. Why? Just now you were finding so many mistakes when she was speaking. Now nobody is wanting to try. Chalo, never mind. Do the fourth one. The Mahabharata one. Can you see it on the screen, the fourth one? Please start doing the fourth one and raise your hands.
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Speak, Beta.
Ma'am, what will be the past tense of hit?
It has to be hit only. There is no word as hitted in English. So it has to be hit
Okay.
only. There is no change, Beta. Beta, the fourth one now. And after you finish, raise your hands. Whoever finishes, raise your hands. Raise your hands. 6 hands only. Hurry up, others. Only these same hands all the time. Harshvardhan, Shoaib, Sachin, Vishesh, what happened? Let's try. Who would like to take the challenge of speaking the entire paragraph? Start.
Me.
Okay, start. Start, please. One by one, please speak the entire paragraph.
The Mahabharata was one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India. The other was the Ramayana. The Mahabharata was an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra war and the fate of the Kaurav and the Pandav princes. It also contained philosophical and devotional material. Traditionally, the authorship of Mahabharata attributed to the Vyas. There were many attempts to unravel its historical and composition layers.
Okay, there is one small mistake which is being done. Next, who would like to speak? Let's see if the other person gives me correct. Who's going to do next?
Ma'am,
Start.
the Mahabharata was one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India. The other was the Ramayana. The Mahabharata was an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra war and the fate of the Kaurava and the Pandava princes. It also contains a philosophical and devotional material. Traditional, the authorship of Mahabharata attributed to Vyas. There were many attempts to unravel its historical and compositional layers.
Again, that same mistake is coming. Somebody else? So many people have raised hands. Let's give a chance. Sania, would you like to try? Sania, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
The
There is a
Mahabharata
mistake.
was one of the major Sanskrit epic of in ancient India. The other was the Ramayana. The Mahabharata was an epic narrative of Kurukshetra war and the fate of Kaurava and Pandava prince. It also contained phi- uh, phys- uh, philosophical and devotional material. Traditionally, the authorship of Mahabharata attributed to Vyasa. There were many attempts to unravel its historical and compositional layers.
Still, it is wrong.
Ma'am, can I
Okay.
try?
Okay, Bhumika wants to try. Yes, Bhumika, start.
The Mahabharata was one of the two major Sanskrit epics.
Beta, you are not loud. Please raise down your voice. Raise up. Now speak.
The Mahabharata was one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India. The other was the Ramayana. The Mahabharata was an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra war and the fate of the Kurundava and the Pandava prince. It also contains philosophical and devotional material. Traditionally, the authorship of the Mahabharata attributes to Vyasa. There were many attempts to unravel its historical and compositional layers.
No, we are again having the same mistake. Who else?
Ma'am, can I try again?
Beta, first let me see if somebody else wants to try.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody else wants to try? Ranit, you want to try? Okay, you wanted to try again. Try, Beta. Start.
The Mahabharata was one of the two major Sanskrit epics of an ancient India. The other was the Ramayana. The Mahabharata was an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra war and the fate of Kaurava and the Pandava prince. It also contained philosophically and devotional material. Traditionally, the authorship of the Mahabharata attributed to Vyasa. There were many attempts to unravel its historical and compositional layers.
You all are doing the same mistake and you're not able to
Ma'am,
find out the mistake.
ma'am,
Yes.
in the F line there was many attempt.
No, they were. That's okay. That is not wrong. I'll tell you what is wrong, children. Where you're going wrong. I told you we do not change the tense in two cases, when it is future tense or when it is universal truths. So Mahabharata is one of the two major Sanskrit epics of ancient India. It is still the major Sanskrit epic, beta. It was, it is, and it will always be. So these two
ma'am.
be will not be changed into was. It should be is. The Mahabharata is one of the two Sanskrit epics. In India, the other is the Ramayana. The Mahabharata is an effective narrative क्योंकि महाभारत अभी भी तो है, रामायण अभी भी तो है. It is not gone into past. So please do not use past. That was the only mistake which was coming. Now one of you speak with correct tenses. Who would like to try? अब गलती पता चल गया. Who would like to do? Yes, start speaking. Start.
The Mahabharata is one of the two major Sanskrit epics of an ancient India. The other is the Ramayana. The Mahabharata is an epic narrative of the Kurukshetra war and the fate of Kaurava and the Pandava prince. It also contains philosophically and devotional material. Traditionally, the authorship of Mahabharata attributed to Vyasa. There were many attempts to unravel its historical and compositional layers.
Excellent. Now you got your mistake, children. All of you, where you were going wrong.
Yes,
Something
ma'am.
something which was there earlier also will be there now also. So we do not change the tenses in such case. And that is why we have not changed the tense. Okay, last one, let's do together. The fourth one. Thomas Tom Sawyer dash the title character of the Mark Twain novel. Tell me. What should be the answer to the first one? Let's do it together. Thomas.
Wa-
Hmm?
Was
was
Anybody else has any other answer? बेटा अभी अभी क्या बताया था? Is. Yes. Supposing
is
you write a book, and his main character is Tom. The main character of the book is Tom. So after 10 years also, the main character of the book will be Tom only. If you read that book after 50 years again, the main character would be Tom only, isn't it? So here we are not going to change the tense. See, they're trying to trick you. Thomas Tom Sawyer is the title character of the Mark Twain novel, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. He dashed in 3 other novels by Mark Twain.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
appeared.
Appeared. Now he does not appear. Now if you read the 3 novels, he will appear or he will not appear? Beta, this
he appears.
character. Yes, he appears because abhi bhi if you're going to read these 3 novels, then this character will appear. ऐसा नहीं है that he used to appear and now he will not appear if you will read the novels now. So always think कि ये चीज तब थी अब है या नहीं. अगर अभी भी same रहेगी, then do not change the tense. Tom Sawyer dash a boy of about 12 years of age.
Was.
All of you say was. Supposing I read this book 10 years back and many book में पढ़ा that this boy was 12 years and you read this book now, तो क्या होगा? एज बड़ी हो गई होगी. Is बेटा. Supposing I have read this book 10 years back and तब ये character 12 years का था. आप ये book अब पढ़ रहे हो after 10 years, तो क्या ये 22 years का हो गया होगा book में? No ना. How can things change in a book? They're not going to change. So is a boy of about 12 years who dash in the fictional town of St. Petersburg. Tell me this. Who? Resides.
Resides.
Not resided. Did you understand why fourth and fifth wala? We are not
Reside.
changing the tense. Yes. See, that was also about a book, Mahabharata, Ramayana, and this is also about a novel. So novels to beta, whenever you will read, characters will remain the same, titles will remain the same. They will not change with time, na? Titles don't change. Characters also don't change. Even the age of characters is not going to change. If I read this book now and the character is 12 years, आप 10 years के बाद भी पढ़ोगे तो भी book में character की age थोड़ी बड़ी हो जाएगी. So let's do this very quickly. Thomas Tom Sawyer dashed the title characteristic of Mark Twain novel. What is this here? First one.
Is.
He dashed in 3 other novels.
Appears.
Very good. Tom Sawyer dashed a boy of about 12 years of age.
Is.
Yes, very good. And last one, who dashed in the fictional town of St. Pittsburgh?
Resides.
Very good. I hope you'll understand this. Why we did not change the tense?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. God bless you all. Now you have 2 days holidays. Then let's meet after that. Okay, beta. God bless you all. You can leave the meeting now. Your class time is over.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you. God bless you. Bye, beta.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.